Hello. I'm going to showcase something I've been working on for a little bit. Basically, what we do is we try to automate the animation process. So what we ask for is some images references. So ideally left, right, um, front, and back. So those four poses, the user can go and click make. And what will happen is it takes about 10 to 15 seconds, but we can then produce that object in the background. And all we need is generally just PNG or JPEG images. And we're currently automating this process so that when the user submitted, we do all the formatting and everything, and then we can just send it out to users as soon as possible. I think I can show. I think we're waiting for the other object to be created. Yep. And so we should see a new file. 24. Yep. And so what we can do now is go and import this object. So this is character 24. Generate it, produce it, and so now you can see the images that were used was basically this. And then now we have this as the object. And so it'll have a camera generated with it, so you can control the pose that comes with it, and then it'll be rigged. So ideally, you can go in, edit it. Let's say I want to just make something very simple. So I go choose this initial position, have my character wave his hand, and then something like that, and then select that as the final state. Choose any folder you want to export it out to, and then we just generate the animation, and then we can go and see the perspective. Actually, I think it's better without this. Let's try again, and then that's how it looks from our perspective, and then it's generating the folder right now, and then we will see it appear here once it's been completed. And then, yeah, as you can see, it has appeared. It usually depends on how much detail is in the object, but this is how it came out. And so this is before we do a lot of processing. So hopefully within the next week or so, a couple weeks, we'll plan on releasing more of an actual post-processing that takes the images, the original image itself, and then applies it back into the edited video. But that's something we're hoping to get rid of most of the bugs for. But then for the other part is we do try to produce the character and all the assets that come with it, and then that way people can try to change different aspects of their content. And if you want, what we do also is we're trying to showcase the frames and then have people select which frames and then see inside and see all the assets that are meant for each frame, and then try to edit them in later installments. But yeah, thank you. Bye.